There are many people that have gone to the graveyard. Yes, sent by herbalists. She saw that woman yesterday. She said they told her to drink graveyard water. Why do you think herbalists are going to the graveyard? What are they doing there? Because there are many people's glory in the graveyard. In hell, they usurp people's glory. I mean, the human realm is the graveyard. Some people here have been buried and they are still alive. That's why you keep on seeing yourself in the graveyard. See yourself with dead people. God is trying to tell you that the graveyard powers have changed something about you. So herbalists, they know the reason why they keep people on time is so that they will be buried with their glory. Mostly babies' grave, youth grave. That's why youth die very quick, because their glory is still new. They have not used it. It's always happening in Africa. You see, somebody is just graduating from school, then he got accident and died. Somebody was just rising to his prime, he got accident and died. Many people go to the devil to get money. At their prime of enjoying it, the devil take their life, because many glory is in the grave. Spiritualists, magicians, herbalists, their own mountain is the grave. Muslim, they go to Mecca. Most Christians go to Jerusalem, Israel, not knowing Jesus has said the spirit is now in you. You are going to locations. Yeah, herbalists go for retreats. It's grave. And when they go to grave, they begin to check how many people die on time. So that's why David said, my glory you will not live in the grave. Therefore I prophesy to you, everyone in your family, that their glory have been buried, and whosoever died with the glory of your family, I command it to resurrect and release it. I command that grave to open and release what belongs to you and your family in the name of Jesus.